Okay everybody, welcome back. It's Albert Lebel. I've got a challenge locking device. It's number 85 by the one and only Daz Evers. And I got to tell you, I've got another one of one of your locks, Daz, that you sent me. I don't remember what number it is offhand. It is, if I can find it. It's called Something Missing, and it doesn't have a key with it, which I'm guessing that's what's missing, but I've been picking on that one and I can't get nowhere but a false set. But this one here, number 85, is that what I said? Yeah. I believe we're going to have a little better luck with this because I tried it a little while ago and I actually got the sucker open. So that's what the key looks like. It's still wrapped up nice and tight. I don't have a clue. There's the tag, number 85. And I'm trying something different again still. I've got a microphone hanging right over this lock, and I think it's going to pick up great. The problem is on the built-in mic on the camera, I notice it's picking up the autofocus, I guess, motors. You can hear a little buzzing, so I'm hoping this external mic might work a little better, and also hanging right over the lock, I'm hoping it's going to pick up every little thing. It is a cheap mic, but one way to find out, right? Always trying new things. So let's get right into it. I'm also going to try to use this Daz Evers pick. Beautiful. Use a Daz pick to pick a Daz lock. Alright, so we'll drop this little shotgun in the bottom here. And using top of the keyway, this is the thick one. I think it's 50 thousandths maybe from Sparrows. It's one of the heavy bars. And let's see if we can't do this again here. Alright. Yeah, this thing's a beast, man. Okay, got a nice little click. I want to say it was 2. Okay, that was 4. A little more off of 1, I think. 2, well, I say 2. I'll let that drop. 3, that didn't feel good. Let it drop. 4. Okay, 5, maybe 6. Let's see. 5. I got a little bit of a false set, but yep, still got a false set. Okay, a little more. Tell you what, this thing will tease you, man. Okay, I don't think I wanted that, but we'll see. Five, 4. That didn't feel good. Feels like it's something in the back that I'm not getting to. Five, 4, 3. I don't know about that. Let it drop. 1 again, let it drop. I don't know which one it is. I guess it's part of the puzzle, huh? 5, 4. Oops. Lost it. Not feeling it this time. Which leads me to believe probably a two-piece pin, because they will move around on you in there. Okay, I got a nice little click. Oh, nice little false set again. 6, 5, 4. Yeah, they'll move around on you. Okay, I got a little bit more when I touched. I think it was 6. 5, 4, 3. Yeah, it does feel like there's a two-piece pin in there, because it keeps, the feeling keeps changing around on me here. Okay, got the false set back again. A little bit more of a turn that time. See, it'll give you some counter, but it's bad counter. Let it drop. Five. Like right here. I don't know. There's a little bit more. Got a false set. Can't get out of it. That was bad. Let it drop. Okay, 6. 5, 4. Yep, can't get out of that sucker. I'm stuck on something in there. There we go. Boom. Beautiful. Beautiful. Freaking beautiful. Okay. I forgot to say before I put it in this holder, I had to take the clip off the back because it was dragging on this holder. So I'm going to be very careful and get this sucker out of here. I don't know how long that took, so I'm going to try to boogie on this a little bit. Oh, no, no, no. Let's go this way. Stay. Okay, we're good. Alright, let's get this vise out of the way. Bada boom, bada bing. What a freaking hell of a lock, man. Beautiful. Okay. Let's get a pin and tray down here. Bada boom, bada bing. Alright. We got a very much open. Fair enough. You know what? Actually, I'm going to leave the key mummified. We don't need to. Let's see. If we don't need to get it open, we won't. I'll try to just go like this. Got the shakes now. Good shakes though. Alright. All pinned up. Looks like number 2 was a trap. Let's see. Yep, I barely needed nothing on number 2. Badass. Okay, let's get them laid out here. 2, 3's like a T-pin key pin. 4. Yeah, I'll tell you what, I needed that. I needed some redemption because, like I said, I was trying on your other one there, Daz. The one that's called Something Missing that doesn't have a key. All I get's a false set on that one, and it just dies on me. Alright, some eyes on here. Bada boom, bada bang. We got 1, 2, 3. We got threading in 4 and an undercut in 5. Threading in 4, undercut in 5. Very nice. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, let's see. Get the shim out. And go upstairs. Let's see, is the front marked? Well, it's shorter, but I'll put a mark on it anyways. Okay. Tweezers. Alright, where we at? Bada boom, bada bang. Number 1 looks like a standard. Nice. And 2 is a standard. I'll be damned. Must have been a lot involved with the key pins, because those are not standard. Another standard driver in 3. I'll be damned. Did not expect that. It's all in the key pins, it seems like. There we go. We got a serrated number 4, which I think is where the... Yeah, okay. Nope. Yep. It's serrated in the core. Need a spring. And number 5. We can go from the other side. For 6. Standard in 6. And number 5. 5 was, yeah, 5 was undercut, so, oops, that's a long sucker there. And I think it's fair to say it can pretty much go either way, but that one's sharper, so I'm going to guess it goes that way. Yeah. Alright. Bada boom, bada bang. Let's see if we got anything up in the Bible here. I don't see nothing, I don't feel nothing in the core. Alright, that's what we got. Bada boom, bada bang. Let's put this thing right here like this. Drop the camera down flat so we can see the pins really good. Like this. Alright, we can come in a little bit, I guess. Okay, key pins. We've got this serrated kind of spool combobulation, I would say, in number 1. See, I'd call this double spooled because these are wide serrations. So we'll call it a double spool. And then we got this cool looking kind of T-pin spooly combobulation in number 3. That's really cool looking. Reminds me a little bit of a bowling pin. Okay, so 4 multi-serrated, 5 double serrated, and 6 is another one like 3. It's kind of like a bowling pin looking T-pin combobulation. Drivers standard in 1, 2, and 3. Triple serrated in 4. And then this cool looking, see this one was undercut in the core, so this part right here will get nice and stuck in it. And then 6, another standard. And all the springs are steel. They're magnetic anyway, so, and they all look the same. So that's what we got. Mr. Daz Evers, number 85. Highly appreciate it, Daz. Thank you so much. And I think Jason Carlson sent this one to me, so thank you. All right, so what we got. Big Al signing out.